Here's some big breaking news coming in. Varanasi Gyanvapi Masjid case mentioned before the Supreme Court. Senior advocate says that the survey has been ordered. It's now going on even as we speak. CJI asked for petition documents to be filed, says we will see after we will look into the case after we see the papers. Let me quickly cut across to Anisha Mathur joining us live for more on that. Anisha, Varanasi Gyanvapi Masjid case now that has been mentioned in the Supreme Court. Senior advocate says that the survey has been ordered. It's right now underway. CJI asked for petition documents to be filed, says that he will see it only after he sees those papers. What more do we know that's happening right now in court?
Well, Nabila, the Intizamiya Mosque Committee, the Masjid Committee, has moved the apex court. This matter was mentioned for urgent hearing before the bench of the Supreme Court Chief Justice of India. The petition has called for a stay on the survey, but at the moment we do not know the details of the petition, the grounds on which they have asked for a stay. But in the short mentioning that was done before the apex court bench, the senior advocate Huzefa Afmadi, who was appearing for the Masjid Committee, has said that the survey has been ordered. There will be a major change if this matter is not heard very, very soon. And that is what he said. The survey has been ordered, the survey has begun, and if this matter is not heard, it will impact the rights of the parties concerned, and that is why they want an urgent hearing. However, since this was a matter that was mentioned out of turn before the court, the petition file has not reached the judges yet. The Chief Justice of India has for now said that you file the documents first. We'll see when to hear this matter once we see the documents themselves. So it is highly unlikely that this matter will be heard today. It is more likely that this matter could be heard on Tuesday, but with 17th of May also being the date of hearing before the Varanasi trial court, which is hearing this matter. 17th of May is also the date when the survey report is to be filed. We'll have to wait and see how this works out, what exactly is said in the petition, and whether the Masjid Committee is able to get an urgent hearing at all. Back to you.
All right, Anisha, thank you very much for joining us with those details. We're looking at the Gyanvapi Mosque survey row that's not ended quite naturally. This has snowballed into quite a mega political showdown. While the matter is now in court, the CJI will discuss whether or not to take up the petition immediately. We're looking at the BJP as well as the AIMIM chief, Asaduddin Owaisi, who've locked horns over this issue. Owaisi is now going all guns blazing at the BJP, stating that he will not let another mosque get demolished. Lashing out at the Saffron Party, AIMIM chief accused them for using the issue for political gains at the moment. Meanwhile, BJP has backed the survey, demanded that the truth be revealed. The court's order on Thursday came as a setback for the Mosque Management Committee. As the BJP versus AIMIM politics speaks, the video survey of the mosque premises will continue. Report will be submitted by the 17th of May.
Court order is wrong. The court cannot go against the Parliament Act of 1991. The court cannot go against the Supreme Court judgment. Why are you doing this survey? What are you trying to come to a conclusion? We have decided as a nation that what religious place existed on 15th of August 1947, period. That's the end of it. That it will remain. You cannot change the nature and character of it.
इस संविधान पापी एसपी इकोसिस्टम को बताना चाहिए कि क्या वो माफी मांगेंगे भड़काने वाली राजनीति करने पर, क्योंकि बार बार उनका चाल चरित्र चेहरा ये बन चुका है। कोर्ट का फैसला हिजाब पर आता है, ये भड़काने की राजनीति करते हैं। कोर्ट का फैसला लाउड स्पीकर पर आता है, ये भड़काने की राजनीति करते हैं। तो इस प्रकार से हम जो सर्वे नहीं करवाएंगे, हम कागज़ नहीं दिखवाएंगे, हम बुलडोज़र नहीं चलवाएंगे, हम लाउड स्पीकर नहीं उतरवाएंगे, ये जो संविधान पापी मंडली है, जो संविधान के विरुद्ध जाकर वोट बैंक के नाम पर देश के टुकड़े टुकड़े करना चाहती है, आज उनके चेहरे पर ये करारा तमाचा है।
Big win for Hindu petitioners in the Gyanvapi Mosque survey case. A Varanasi court has given the go-ahead to resume survey of the mosque. The court appointed one more special commissioner, Vishal Singh, along with existing commissioner Ajay Kumar Mishra for the survey. An assistant commissioner, Ajay Pratap Singh, has also been added to the team.
देखा जांच होगी, अगर किसी कारणवश ये लोग रोकते हैं तो ताला तोड़ करके जांच होगी।
और क्या कहा गया जब मुस्लिम पक्ष की तरफ से क्या दलील दी गई आप लोग?
अब मुस्लिम पक्ष के बारे में हम लोग कुछ नहीं मानते, हम लोग अपने पक्ष के बारे में।
आप लोग खुश हैं अब डिसीजन से?
बिल्कुल, बहुत बड़ी जीत हुई हम लोगों की। जो चाह रहे थे वही हुआ।
ताला खोलने और तोड़ने तक की जो आदेश है वो जारी कर दिए गए हैं। 8 बजे से लेकर 11 बजे तक कमीशन कार्रवाई होगी। जब तक पूरी नहीं हो जाएगी निरंतर चलती रहेगी। 17 तारीख को रिपोर्ट पेश की जाएगी।
Many local residents of Varanasi welcomed the verdict.
हम लोग खुशी हैं कि पक्ष में हमारे ही पक्ष में फैसला आएगा। आप अंदर क्यों नहीं जाने दे रहे हैं? आप अंदर जाइए, वीडियोग्राफी करें। आपको क्या दिक्कत हो रहा है? क्या डर लग रहा है आपको? अगर आपको लग रहा है कि गलत है तो फिर सही है। अगर आपका मस्जिद, आप फिर डरते क्यों हैं?
And so did the right-wing leaders.
ज्ञानवापी मामले में जिस प्रकार से माननीय कोर्ट ने जो आदेश दिया है बहुत ही सराहनीय, मैं इसका सराहना करता हूं। ये जो जिहादी मानसिकता के लोग हैं उनको सबसे बड़ा एक कालिक पूतने का काम किया और माननीय कोर्ट ने ये वो कर दिया कि जो उन्होंने कमेटी बनाई थी वो बिल्कुल सही था।
The BJP, which has so far kept a distance from the controversy, has also welcomed the verdict.
The verdict in Gyanvapi case is a big vindication for those who are for Samvidhan and video survey, and a big slap on the face of those who in the name of Gyanvapi were actually Samvidhan Papi.
Earlier, India Today spoke to the videographer who actually saw what was on the site.
कमल देखा और फूलों की लड़ियां देखी जो फूल ऐसे बने होते हैं, और ठीक सामने वाली दीवार पे अंदर की तरफ घंटा भी टंगा हुआ है।
The survey of the Gyanvapi Mosque has been allowed on a petition filed by 5 women demanding daily prayers at the Gaudi Shringar temple next to the masjid. Sangh Parivar outfits have often maintained Kashi and Mathura are the next goals after winning Ayodhya Ram Janmabhoomi dispute. Are the slew of petitions in Kashi and Mathura a prelude to another Mandir movement? With Preeti Chaudhary and Samar Srivastava from Varanasi, Bureau Report, India Today.